Hello and welcome to the demonstration video on how to export from the EVT Pro to a file that can then be imported into ValvKeep. After launching the EVT Pro software, you can go into the certificate management command to select the customer from which you want to export the data out of the EVT. You'll see here that I've selected the client and the location, and now we have all of the tests and all of the valves done on the EVT Pro for that customer. You can select whichever ones you require, and when you're done selecting the ones that you require, export it to the file to go to ValvKeep. You click the Export to VK button. You are then presented with the option to choose where you want to save the file that you're going to be exporting out for ValvKeep. Typically you would save it out to a memory stick, or you might save it out to the local computer in order to copy it to a memory stick to later take to the ValvKeep computer and import it. You'll see here that I've selected drive D and the temporary folder. If this computer is also a ValvKeep running computer, you can easily do the import from this folder location. If that's not the case, all you need to do is copy the files from there to a memory stick and then put that onto a ValvKeep computer and do the import inside of ValvKeep. After I chose the location, I go ahead and I tell it that that's where I want to export it to, and the export file is created. What it's doing now is it's generating the PDFs that are actually the test certificates out of the EVT Pro. Those will be attached as generic attachments to the repair event inside of ValvKeep. That is done automatically for you. You do not have to attach the PDFs from the EVT Pro to the corresponding repair inside of ValvKeep. That's done during the import in ValvKeep. There you see that the export has succeeded. I'll say OK. And now if we go out to Windows, we can go to Explorer, and we can find the folder. Here you see it's drive D and temp, and you can see the data that has been exported. These PDFs, along with the EVT export VK file, are the ones that need to be copied and then put on a memory stick and taken to the ValvKeep computer for import. Or if this computer, this EVT Pro computer, is running ValvKeep, you can very easily perform the import just using this local folder. Closing Windows Explorer takes me back to the EVT Pro program, and you see that after we do the export, it brings us back out to the main EVT menu. So that's it. That's all that's involved with exporting from the EVT Pro a file and the PDFs that are required to import back into ValvKeep. Thanks. Goodbye.